In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change colors mid-row in double crochet. To make a nice clean color change, you're actually going to switch colors one stitch prior to the stitch where the color change should occur. So let's go ahead and mark the stitch where we would like our color change to occur. And we're going to work in double crochet across the row until one stitch is left unworked before our color change. So in this case, it is one stitch will be left unworked before the marked stitch. So I'm simply double crocheting across the row. We're now at one stitch left unworked before we want our color change to occur. So what we're going to do is we're going to start our double crochet into that stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, draw up a loop. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and we're going to stop there. We're now going to grab our new color, and we're going to complete that last yarn over and pull through of our double crochet with our new color. We've now successfully switched colors, and now in our next stitch, we will be in our new color. So we can go ahead and remove our stitch marker, and we could double crochet into that stitch. Now for this first stitch, I like to crochet over these 2 tails just to help secure them. So go into that stitch and make sure you're under those 2 tails and complete your double crochet as normal. You can now move your tails out of the way and continue working in double crochet across the row. If you're not planning on using your old color anytime soon, you can go ahead and clip it. And now those tails can be weaved in whenever you're ready to do so. We've made it across the row, and then you can flip it over so your tails are exposed, and you can kind of pull on those 2 tails to adjust the tension of the color change stitch so that way it blends nicely with the rest of your stitches. But that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to successfully change colors mid-row in double crochet. I really hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, let me know by giving the video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already and would like to, make sure you subscribe so you never miss a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!